अमेरिका से स्टार्ट होने वाले नस्ली इम्तियाज के खिलाफ होने वाले मुजाहरे पूरी दुनिया में शिद्दत इख्तियार करते जा रहे हैं। लंदन में भी आए दिन मुजाहिरीन भरपूर एहतजाज करते नजर आते हैं। लंदन की कौंसिल ल्यूशैम में भी समाजी फासले को मद्देनजर रखते हुए एहतजाज किया गया। इस एहतजाज में कौंसिल की मकामी हुकूमत के डिप्टी स्पीकर का ओहदा रखने वाले पाकिस्तानी तौसीफ अनवर ने खुलकर बरतानिया की हुकूमत में नस्ल इम्तियाज और मुनाफिकाना रवैयों पर तनकीद की।
So black lives? No, Priti Patel can't hear this loud. No. We need to get to her, yeah? Black lives? No justice? No justice? Thank you. There are some ignorant people, they are trying to divide the community with this DLM movement. They think this is a fight between whites and blacks. Whenever any incident happens like this, or whenever we have any protest about stand up to racism or any, you always see there's more people from white ethnicity in those protests. It is not a war between white and black ethnicity. Let's be clear. It is a war against institutional racism. Which is self-evident and exists in our police, in our criminal justice system, in our home office. All of us know that. And some of their critical bosses, they even refuse to acknowledge that even exists. And no, we are actually, BME people are self-sufficient in those politicians. Some of them have a sold souls, I would call them. We have a Sajid Javed, who would honestly deport his parents to make the Tories bosses happy. We have a Priti Patel who said, I don't need to have a lecture from you of racism because once she was a child, she was called a Paki. What a qualification. I still think she's a child, the way she makes the faces actually. We have some pseudo-philosophers who are judging this all moment and saying why people are going out, this happened in America, this here, this there. I would say to them, don't judge any struggle which you have not experienced by yourself. Disguise yourself. Disguise yourself in a black person and go to the society, and 1 week you will experience what you suffer in every step. Have a Muslim name, have a foreign name and apply for a job. Then you will see what response you get. Go and ask for a property to get rented. You will see what response you get. And these all things have been proven. This is the studies have proven the black youth have a worse chances in the life in our UK. I'm not talking about America. I'm not here to say those generic words. Oh, I'm here to show my solidarity to this movement. I'm here to tell you that we are standing next to our communities. We will be challenging racism every street, every corner along with you. We have a too sad incident 10 days ago in Lewisham where excessive police force was used. And the same day we sent a very strong message to the borough commander of Lewisham, and we asked a very hard question. Our colleague Brenda, who is our cabinet lead for this safer community, and mayor. Yes, sure, you're welcome. And then we are going to feed into the Mayor of London, and we are going to have something which actually represents the diverse community of Lewisham, and it's a true picture of the people of Lewisham. So please feel free to join that forum and give your input in that. And thirdly, we are looking to introduce, not maybe in a Lewisham or maybe in a start as a lobbying point of view, that our curriculum should have an education of colonialism and the slavery. Our coming generation should have a true picture of the history, not the what has been filtered already. I say this movement has just started. It's not the end of it. Let's keep our momentum high and keep this going. This struggle we will continue until we throw this racism, fascism, Islamophobia, anti-Semitism, injustice and inequality in the society to a river, if not in the harbour of Bristol. Thank you.
Thank you, Councillor.